Intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. When this molten lava comes on our surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. Solid rocks so form are called intrusive rocks. Granite is an example of such a rocks. Rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These small particles are called sediments. These sediments are transformed and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form sedimentary rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. Example: clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Rocks are very useful to us. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. You will be also surprised to know one type of rocks change into another type under certain conditions in a cycling manner. You can see here the rock cycle. This is the diagram of a rock cycle. Look at here. This is a igneous rocks. Rocks are broken down into a small particles that are transferred into a deposit from sedimentary rocks. When igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change the metamorphic rocks and are still under great heat and pressure melt down from the molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rocks. This is the rock cycle. I hope you understand this chapter. Kindly make your notes on your notebook. Thank you.